All right, welcome back. We are still solving questions on permutation and combination. This is Mr. Brain. I hope you can see the question behind me. All right. Now the first question here is that in how many ways can the word mathematics be arranged? This is permutation and combination, right? So in how many ways can the word mathematics be arranged? I want us to solve all these four questions very quickly. That is how simple it is. In how many ways? This is the first question. In how many ways can the word mathematics be arranged? Now, you can see this word. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 11. So you now see 11 factorial. I hope you can see that. 11 factorial. But because you have some letters that are in multiple form, all right? Those letters that are in multiple form, you have to divide it. You have to divide this 11 with those letters. So we have M. How many M do we have? 1, 2. So you say 2 factorial. Okay? This. A, how many A? 1, 2. Another 2. 2 what? Factorial. Then the next one, C. How many P? 1, 2. Another one, 2 factorial. You have another one, H. H is 1, E is 1, and IS, every other thing is 1. So this is your answer. Our correct option is what? Option C. Alright, so we'll solve the first question. Of course, you can always press your calculator. Now, the next question is number 2. This is number 2. We are solving number 2. This is number 2 now. So this is number 1. Now we are solving number 2. What is number 2? How many possible ways are there of shipping 7 people? CQRSTU and V. So look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people at a circular table. So if you have 7 people and they are to sit in a circular table, I get me. So in how many ways will they be explaining themselves? So for a circular arrangement, you have a formula, n minus 1 factorial. So for this question, how many people do we have? 7. So n is 7. So 7 minus 1 is the expression. That was what? 6 factorial. And 6 factorial is what? That's 120 times 2. That's what? 120 times 2. That's 240. So our answer is what? 120 times 2. Or let's break it down. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So 6 times 5, 30. Right? 30 times 4, 120. Oh, okay. 720 and times 2. Okay, so our answer is what? 7. Let's go again. 6 times 5, 30 times 4, 120 times 3. 120 times 3, that's 360, and that is what? 720. So our answer is 720. Option what? B. Okay? Option B. Let's solve the next question. The next question is what? Find the number of ways of selecting 6 out of 10 subjects from an examination. So if you are selecting, now listen, what is the main difference between permutation and combination? When it comes to permutation, you are dealing with what? Arrangement. Are you getting it? But when it comes to combination, you are eh, selecting people out of a certain group. You understand me? So this is combination. When you hear selecting or forming a group, that is what? Combination. So this is combination. So we are forming a group of what? 6 out of 10. So that would be what? 10. That would be what? 10 combination 6. So what's that? The formula is what? 10 factorial over what? 10 minus 6. Then what? 10 minus 6 factorial, then 6 factorial. Right? So that's what? 10 factorial over 10 minus 6, that's what? 4 factorial, then 6 factorial. So what, if you express this, what will it be? Break this one down, that's 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. So 4 factorial times 6 factorial. This 6 factorial will cancel the 6 factorial at that experiment. So what we have left? We have what? 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times, okay, times 7, that's where it stops. So we now have what? 4 times 3 times what? 2 times 1. Alright? So 3 times 2 is 6, right? Okay, let's take it one by one. 3 here is what? 1. 3 here is 3, right? 2 here is 1, and 2 here is 5, right? 4 here is 1, and 4 here is what? 2. So what do you have? 5 times 3, 15, times 2, 30, times 7. That's 210, right? 210. So our answer is what? 210. Are you getting me now? So the last question is, in how many ways can a committee of 2 women and 3 men be formed? In how many ways? I want to solve this one because this is the last set of questions under this topic. This is the last set of questions under this topic. So I want to solve this one. So in how many ways? This is the question we are solving now. Number 4, the last one. In how many ways can a committee of 2 women and 3 men be chosen from what? 6 men and 5 women. So how do you solve that? So you have men and women. So you do for men, multiply by for women. So you are having a committee of 2 out of 2 women out of what? 5 women. So you say 5 combination 2. That's for women. Multiply by, for men, you have 3 men out of how many men? Out of 6 men. That's what? 6 combination what? 3. So express is what you have 5 factorial over what? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 factorial, then 2 factorial, multiply by what? 6 factorial. 6 minus 3 factorial, that's 6 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. Alright? So that will give us what? Now, this is what? 5 factorial over what? 4 factorial, abi? Times 2 factorial. Then times what? 6 factorial over what? 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Alright, let's break it down now. So this one is 5 times 4 factorial. So 5 times 4 factorial. Stop here. Don't go further. Why? Because we already have 4 factorial here. So we need to cancel. So over what? 4 factorial. Then 2 factorial. So this one will cancel this. Alright? Then for the next one. For the next one, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over what? 3 factorial times what? 3 times 2 factorial. So this 3 will cancel this 3. Alright? So our answer is now what? 5 here. 5 over 2 times. Now, 3 times 2, or 3 here 1, 3 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 2. So 2 times 5, 10 times 2, 20. So that's 20. So 2 here 1, 2 is 20, 10. 5 times 10 is 50. I hope you are seeing that. 5 times 10 is what? 50. So our answer is what? 50. Option D. Thank you. See you.